Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading educational video. Today we're going to be looking at a powerful new trading tool that I've built for my weekly swing trade positions, and I'm going to share it with you absolutely free. So it is my trade management robot, which allows the robot to manage my weekly swing positions without me actually having to look at the market. In this video, I'm going to share with you how it works, and most importantly, share with you how to access it. Now, if you are in my weekly swing trade service, this is the instruction video. So make sure you're paying attention because it is a great trading tool that we've just built. So I'm going to head over to the charts. Now, this is the tool. Now, I'm already expecting you to know how to add a trading EA into your MT4 platform, so I'm not going to bother sharing that with you. And if you are a bit stuck, just Google how to put an expert advisor into an MT4 platform. Now the EA only works on MT4, and basically all we need to do now each week is be entering our pending orders from the spreadsheet and then loading the EA, the trade manager EA, into MT4, leaving the platform open, and then the EA will simply manage the trades throughout the week. So what I'm going to share with you now is how it works. I'm going to actually show you live how it actually works, and you'll be able to see it working. So expert advisors is what we're going to be looking at. Make sure you have these on, the LL inputs on, allow live trading on. Now inputs, now for the weekly swing positions, for the break even range, it is between 80 and 100 pips. I have mine set at 80 pips. Okay, just a bit to the low side. You can set it, you can have it set at 60, 70, whatever you want. But I recommend between 80 and 100 pips in there. Okay, the next one, partial close at 50%. You simply leave that as it is. Now time close, this is when I'll explain this first. So what actually happens here is when any open position on the platform moves 80 pips in our direction in profit, it will close, the EA will then close 50% of the position and move the stop loss to the entry price, thus banking half, 50% of the profits, and then it will let the rest of the position run till the end of the trading week, and that comes to the next point. So time close, this is now the time will be different for everyone who uses the EA. It is based on your server, so just check your candles. Okay, I'm in Asia here, so I want my trading platform to close the positions at 8 p.m. on a Friday. Okay, evening. So any open positions that are left on the platform on a Friday, the EA will then close every single one of them automatically, and I'm going to show you now how that actually works. So first off, we're going to actually see the EA in action. So what I want to be doing is just changing this to 1 pip so we can actually see it in action live. Now, when you are using it, make sure you have auto trading switched on. We're just going to open that. We're going to start taking some trades here. So hit buy. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. There we can see it working now. Okay, the trades move 1 pip in our way. It's closed 50% of the position and then move the stop loss to entry price. And it's hit the entry price to get the break even price, and it's closed the full position. Now, next we want, what time's that candle on? So just want to share with you how this actually works. So it's 10:51. Make sure Monday's true, Friday's false, and then simply close. Is that moved already? There we go. So It's moved to 1051 and it's closed every single position on the platform. So very, very powerful tool. That's how it works. Make sure the settings are correct. Okay, make sure you have the pip distance correct. Make sure you have the day set. So make sure all these are, if you're using the weekly swings, the only day you want true is Friday. Okay, make sure the time is set correctly due to your platform. Okay, the end of the trading day, you can have it, if you are in the Asian area, you can have the trades closed on a Friday morning, or you can let it close at the end or just after the final news bit in the US session. Now, you can also use this for day trading, and for the daily signals or the day trading is simply, if you are using them, have this set at 15, distant trigger and pips at 15, and make sure you have it. So if it is, say, a Tuesday, make sure you have all trades closing on a Tuesday evening or before the Asian session starts the next trading day. So that is it. If you aren't in the service, you can use this management tool as you please. It's a very, very powerful tool. Very, very basic. I've been trying to do this for a few months now. Kept on running into issues, but we were able to get it finally sorted. And now we've been able to fully automate our weekly swing positions. If you are in the trading group, all you need to be doing now is Sunday evening, if you are in Europe or the US, enter the trades as pending orders. Make sure your MT4 platform is open, and then throughout the week, the EA will manage all the positions for you and make sure everything is closed on a Friday. So you simply do not have to do anything now apart from spending 5 minutes entering pending orders each week. So super simple. If you aren't in the service and you want to get access to the indicator absolutely free, or sorry, the EA absolutely free, there will be a link in the description area or in the comments section of this video. Again, thank you for watching. If you do find the tool useful, let me know in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. I shall see you on the next video, well over pips and gains.